guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Jessica J, and we talk a lot about home decor and lifestyle on this channel. So if that's your kind of thing, I would love it if you subscribe. In today's video, we are going to be talking all about outdoor and summertime home decor and furnishings. You guys, summertime is right around the corner, and if you're looking to refresh your outdoor space or you need to get new outdoor furniture, now is the time. Actually, like yesterday was the time to look for those type of pieces. There are pieces that are already on back order until August. So I've been doing a lot of running around for the past couple of weeks trying to find outdoor furniture. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me. Now, as much as I love getting good quality pieces that have a very nice designer touch to it, I also like saving some money as well. So we're going to check out the outlets and of course our favorite place, Homegoods. Okay, first up is the Crate and Barrel outlet. So let's go. This one is huge. $359. This one's nice too. $209. So here's all the patio furniture. They don't have a lot left at all. That was basically short, sweet, and to the point. We basically only had 30 minutes to spend at the store and we wasted it on umbrellas. They had this beautiful umbrella from CB2. It wasn't made with this umbrella fabric, so that was kind of a concern for me, but it was also a really good price too. I think it was only gonna be about 100, maybe 200 max with the base as well. And then the main one we are looking at, I didn't get any footage of it, you guys, I'm sorry about that. The main one we are looking at is this huge one from Crate and Barrel. We almost got it, but last minute I checked the reviews online and they weren't that great. A lot of people were complaining about the wind and it rattling and shaking. So that's something you have to think about if you're looking into getting an umbrella instead of maybe getting a pergola build. And when I first went to the Crate and Barrel outlet, when they first opened a couple months ago, I feel like they had tons of outdoor furniture. And you guys, now things are going so fast and maybe people are getting their pieces and not returning them or whatnot because they don't have as many pieces as they did before. I did end up going back to the Crate and Barrel outlet about a week and a half later, so I'll show you guys what I saw with this strip. This Crate and Barrel outlet trip was a little bit more successful. I found the most beautiful outdoor table. Hopefully I got some footage of it. It was solid concrete and there was a little bit of damage on the legs, but once you put the top on the legs, you won't be able to see it. So that hides it, so that's a good thing. Price was marked down about 60% and it was solid concrete, you guys. It was beautiful. And then when I saw how much it weighed, the table was about 500 pounds and the legs were more so centered on that rectangular table versus being on each corner. So I just feel like it wasn't the best choice for my family. I did share over on my Instagram just in case you guys were interested and you have more of an adult outdoor space, because it was beautiful, you guys, and the price was really, really, really good. Okay, the reason why that background's a little blank, you guys, I actually did not pick up an outdoor set at the Crate and Barrel outlet, but I did actually find a sideboard. So I'm gonna share that in another video, and I'm really excited, you guys, because I had my eye on this sideboard for a while now, but just wasn't ready to spend the money on it. But of course, the discount plus another discount, couldn't say no to that. Okay, next up is the West Elm outlet. every time I go into the West Elm outlet, they always have this table. I think one of them is the same one I keep running into. No one's really getting it because it has this huge hole in the middle. Nobody wants that. But every time I go in there, I feel like the only outdoor table I see at West Elm is the same concrete one. So that kind of makes me nervous. I feel like when I start seeing the same piece at an outlet, either that means maybe they ordered or made too many, or customers are just returning them because they're not satisfied with the piece. They did, however, have some outdoor pillows, and I love going to West Elm during the summertime for their outdoor pillows because they usually have really nice outdoor pillows. And they had two different ones to choose from, and the only reason why I didn't pick them up is because I wasn't sure what color I was going with for the outdoor dining set. I'm trying to be a little bit more flexible because I'm trying to save money. So I have a couple of ideas in my head, and just depending on what color I choose, one pillow might not go. And you guys know with the outlets, it's final sale, you can't return it. So I did go to a couple of Homegoods. I love going to Homegoods during the summertime. It just makes me so happy. I love seeing all the trays and wine glasses, cocktail glasses, margarita glasses, and the outdoor games. It just really feels like summer and happiness in there. So I feel like if you're needing a sectional or outdoor seating, they have you covered there. They have a few different options to choose from. I'm not sure on the fabric if it was Sunbrella or whatnot, but they did have brands like Nautica and I want to say Tommy Hilfiger there. I did pick up some items from Homegoods. You guys know Homegoods always has our back. They always have these items in the beginning of summer. Actually, we're still in spring, but they always have these items before everything sells out in the summertime, you guys. So if you're needing these pieces, pick them up now. The first item I picked up is this citronella candle. You guys know summertime, and I'm in Southern California. I know mosquitoes aren't extremely bad here. Because I live here, I'm gonna say that they're pretty bad during the summertime. So citronella candles are a must. I actually want to get some citronella plants. I've already been to my nursery and they don't have any there. So I have to find someone who has them. Maybe Homegoods might have them. But I picked up not one, but two. These actually smell good. They actually have like a vanilla smell to it. Anywho, I picked up two of these because I love how big they are. And I also love the design on these. And the price, you guys, $9.99. The compare price says $18. And I just feel like you cannot beat that. And this also goes with my outdoor theme as well. So I love the color. I think it's like a ceramic maybe. I also picked up another citronella candle. You guys see I'm not playing any games when it comes to these mosquitoes this year. But I picked up another one. This one's actually mixed with citrus. Smells really good. This is actually the first one I had picked up. It's $11. I love the look of it. It's just a simple look. These are just more functional items, but I've spent way more on some that are actually smaller than this from like Home Depot or stores like that. So I just needed a large one, and you guys know I'm stocking up on these right now. I also picked up 4 of these acrylic glasses. You guys know when it comes to outdoor dining, if you choose to bring your glassware out there, I have kids and I just don't want to bring my new glasses outside. So I picked up 4 of these. These kind of remind me of like those like mom and pop diners and, you know, getting your orange juice memories. These were $2.99 each. These are by a brand called Eco Zen. So they're BPA free, shatter resistant, dishwasher safe, top rack only. I would have picked up 2 more, but these were the only ones that I found in there. They have tons of acrylic glasses there. They have tons and beautiful designs as well. And the last thing I picked up from HomeGoods is this lantern. This was $24. Oh, it says compared to $45. Wow. It's handcrafted in India, and I actually have a larger one and then a medium-sized one, a little bit bigger than this, in my backyard already. I got them about a couple years ago at HomeGoods. They were actually great with the same material. I wanted to pick up another one just because I think styling groups of 3 just look really good. And I like these because they're extremely heavy, so they're gonna stand up against the wind, and it also doesn't have any glass, so you don't have to worry about these if they do tip over and them breaking. So I love that. But I'm hoping to bring some updated backyard videos for you guys. We are learning so much. We're doing a lot of this stuff ourselves when it comes to planting and whatnot. But maybe I'll just show you guys the process versus beginning till end. I think that would be actually probably better. So thank you guys so much for watching. I truly miss you guys. Thank you for being patient while I upload a video. I've just been a little bit busier with school or whatnot, but I will get back to a regular upload schedule here, I promise. As always, give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. I'll see you guys soon in a new video. Bye.